the dice. Jules, let's go. Roll the dice, Jules. Okay, biggest number you can write without go. Biggest number with using those digits. What's the biggest number? Think about your hundreds. Think about placing your tens and your ones. Don't show me just yet. So today I also used the dice tool in class now. That's just to make it a bit more interactive, a bit more fun. The reason why is we've recently just finished place value in school. And before we move on to our next subject, which is column addition, we kind of review what we've done already. And the way I did this was by using the dice tool. So instead of saying, right, I'm going to give you the number 5, 6, and 8, what's the biggest number you can create with that number? They'll write it down, they'll write it on the whiteboards, and they'll sort of be semi-engaged and they'll go along with the lesson. But by just using that dice tool, it kind of brings learning alive. So they'll come up, I'll press it, and it'll shake a dice, and we'll get a random 3 digits, and that we can then use to manipulate and use during the lesson.